A Peckish seagull tried a daring piece of shoplifting when it attempted to steal an entire loaf of bread from a supermarket.The hungry bird was seen sneaking into a Poundland in Whitby, North Yorkshire, and dragging the loaf outside with its beak. However, the bird was forced to abandon its loot when it was confronted by an angry member of staff.Road worker Josh Binks, 19, captured the hilarious moment from his car outside the bargain store on Friday. Footage shows the seagull walking away from Poundland after dropping the loaf of bread. He walks out of the shop before turning around and appearing to consider whether to go back for it. Dragging the bread along the ground, the seagull is barely out of the shop when a female worker comes out of the shop. The bird looks stunned and stumbles backwards before abandoning the bread and fleeing the scene of the crime. Mr. Binks said, "I was picking my mum up as she works at that store, and I saw a seagull walk through the doors. I'd only just pulled up, and I just watched it. The bread was on a middle shelf about half a meter high, and it was flapping its wings and pulling it towards himself. I dropped it, and then that's when I started filming." "It was so funny and unexpected. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. I didn't think it would be a seagull video on my social media that got so many likes and shares." Josh said he's heard of several incidents where seagulls are causing trouble, but had never seen one with his own eyes before. He said, "I know someone who had their fish and chips nicked out of their hands by a seagull. They are definitely getting braver, and they are huge too." Seagulls are known for their brazen attitude, as in April this year a mother reported that she was mugged by one of the creatures. Just as she was about to tuck into some battered cod, a cheeky seagull swooped down and grabbed the fish from her hands while she was on the beach in Lowestoft. And in August last year another cocky seagull was spotted stealing a packet of crisps from a Greggs in Merseyside before fleeing. In the past, seagulls have also been known to pinch ice cream cones straight out of people's hands as they were getting ready to take their first lick.